Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Edna from The Incredibles. So let's get started. To draw Edna, we're going to first start by drawing her little nose. So right here I'm just going to draw a little curve for a cute little nose, just like that. And then come in here for her nostrils. So I'm just going to thicken two little ovals. And then from there, I'm going to come right on top of it and draw the bridge of the glasses that she wears. So right on top, just draw a shorter curve right on top. And from there, we're going to draw a big circle for her glasses. So I'm going to start right here and then end up over here. So just going to come over here and just draw a big circle. And I'm going to end up over here. So come back all the way there. And from there, I'm just going to come inside to give it a rim. So I'm just going to follow my outside and draw another circle. There. So now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to go up once again and draw this circle. So about right, let's see here. I'm just going to give myself a point right across, say about right here. That's about how high I want to go. And keep going all the way around. And so let's come over here so I can see it a little bit better. And I'm just going to give myself a point right down here. So that's the lowest point and then connect it. There. So it's not going to be perfect, and that's totally okay. We don't need it to be perfect. That's what makes this drawing so cool, right? So we're going to come in here and just do the same thing. It gives us some character when it's not too perfect. So from there, let's draw her eyes. I'm going to come in here, maybe about the center of this circle, and I'm just going to draw a slight curve. Very, very slight, right across. And then I'm just going to connect it with a deeper curve. And then I'm going to come in here closer to this edge and draw her iris. So just imagine a circle inside. And I'm going to give it a little highlight right here. And then let's see if I can make them draw so cute eyes. I'm just going to shade this part in, top part. And then put these lines right here at the bottom. We'll see how it looks. If it doesn't look good, I'm just going to go ahead and shade it all in. So we'll see. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And then once again, just going to give it a slight curve all the way and connect it. So I'm just going to give myself a point about right there. And connect it. So once again, let's come in here for her iris. And I'm going to give her another highlight right here as well. And let's try making them draw so cute eyes and see how they look. Okay, now let's give her her smile first. Okay, so then about right here in between the glasses, I'm just going to give myself a little curve right here. And give her a smile right across. So there, kind of looks like she's looking down, right? But let's see. We'll figure out the eyes when we're done with this drawing. Okay, so then from there, let's come about right here, and I'm just gonna zigzag a little bit and go right across. So this is gonna be the beginning of her bangs. So here and there you can zigzag it if you want. So it's not too stiff. Go all the way across. And then from there, we're going to come underneath the glasses right here. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And we're basically going to draw her face to the center. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw her curve for her face. And I'm going to aim for the center, so let's keep going. And we're going to give her this neck right here. Kind of like a little funnel, so we're going to come down by right there. And give her her neck. Okay, so we got her face in, and then from there, let's come up to the center. We're gonna go straight up, say about right here. So it's gonna be the top of her head, and we're just gonna basically draw a curve all the way down. So we're gonna get really close to her glasses. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So come down all the way here near her glasses. And I'm just gonna keep coming down. And we're gonna finish that a little bit later. Let's finish out her outfit first. So I'm gonna come right here under her neck and draw a straight line across. So it's kind of like where her shoulder is for this designer outfit that she's wearing. So about that much. And I'm just gonna bring it down at an angle. And okay, let's bring it down more. And from there, let's draw her hands first before I finish this all up. I'm gonna come right here, and her hands are on her hips. So about right here, just gonna bend it. And then in here, come down close to her outfit right here, and connect it. And just draw a straight line, an angle line across, and in. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to give myself a point about right there. So once again, aiming for this area, come out here. Just make sure I'm bending at the same area. And bring it in. And then once again, connect it. Like that for her hands. And so then now let's finish off her outfit. We're gonna come a little bit lower. Just flare out a little bit and connect it. So from there, let's draw her legs. So in the center area right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw two curves. And then right here, we're gonna connect it. So it's gonna be really thin as we come down. And let's bring this down a little bit more. About right there. And come down. And then for her feet. And connect it. So same thing on this side. So let's go all the way down. Come out, right there, and connect it. So I think I'm a little bit off again. So there, making it a little bit thicker, lower. And then from there, now we can finish off her, some details on her outfit. Right in here is a little back strip on the back of her outfit right here. I'm just gonna give a little curve to, and then in here we're going to come give it this one panel that comes down, and about right here I'm just going to cut it across. So I'm going to pop it out a little bit, and right here is going to be another panel. And maybe just draw another one right here for the different colors in this designer outfit of hers. Okay, so then from there we can finish off her cute little bob cut hair. So I'm going to come down. So we're aiming to curve it all the way about right here. So I'm going to come down about right there. Towards the end right here, I'm just going to zigzag it a little bit. And then bring it right, soft curve, right into her neck area. So I'm going to do the same thing, come across, so it's a little bit easier to see. So about right there. Zigzag it a little bit and connect it. And then come in here, about right here where her face starts, and just draw a little curve for her hair. So there, my little Edna from The Incredibles. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.